Holy shit, come here. Actually, come here and check this out. You need a hammer to break this shit.
Oh shit. Is that the popo? No, it's not.
Fuck!
Did you fart, dude?
Okay, maybe it'd be a little easier to hold my hands.
Maybe, yeah. You're gonna break your foot. Fuck.
Ooh, a rock.
You're a fucking idiot, Jamie.
You didn't even chip it. Are you videotaping?
Faggot.
What, did that hit you?
It was very close.
Trying to break ice. Stupid people trying to break ice.
True Western Warrior, dude.
What?
Western Olympics in the winter.
Okay, fuck that.